Go.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh yeah, I need There's some missing. That's guys. I'm here.
Okay. So what were you doing?
Don't actually know.
I'm a cartoon.
Character. I picked him.
I want that one.
Yeah, because there's a choice. Then the static wheel. Right.
One.
Guide them through the ups and downs of the market.
One.
Oh, for God.
Places for now I've got fashionable glass windows instead of adjustable wooden shutters. It's impactful.
Get foil hands. Ew!
They're being replaced with written signs.
Why does your character look weird? There's my character. There's Emma's character. And there's this character.
Where's the pretty? This is so good.
You're going to say bye again because I've already put.
Bye!